everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude app UI issues. First, restart the app and your phone. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause display problems. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Developers often fix UI glitch bugs in updates. You can also clear the apps cache. On Android, go to Settings, open Apps and select Claude. Tap Storage and clear the cache. This can fix the layout or display issues. If the UL problem continues, so long press on the app icon, remove app, delete the app. After deleting it, head over to your App Store, search for Claude and reinstall it again. This ensures you have a fresh version with correct interface settings. That's how you can fix the Claude UL issues. Subscribe.